Hey, Ryan from Combat Off-Road. Just coming to you with our mission doors. We're going to do an unboxing. This is going to be part number 35-1046. That's going to be the front doors for the JT. This unboxing will encompass all our mission doors. So the 35-1046, the 25-1046, and the 15-1046, which is going to be your 15 is JK, 25 is JL, and JT's 35. So that's going to give you exactly what we're going to do. So here we go. We're going to get into it. All right. So we'll start with the little box. Okay. Basically what you're going to get in here, I'll open one out. It's going to be your door hinges, and we use OE style door hinges. Just makes it look a lot cleaner when you put it on. So that's going to be your door hinge. So you're going to have 4 of those guys, obviously 2 per side. You have all your stainless steel hardware. All our products come with stainless steel hardware, all marine grade. That's just some more door bolts. And you have the security bolts for the bottom of the hinge. I've said it in a billion videos, I don't ever use these, but they're there if you want them. And we also come with limiting straps. So that's going to be all your hardware. Then we'll get to the doors. All right. So this is one of our, really our only steel product. It's our steel tube door, but they're all E-coated. So they're welded, cleaned up, they're dipped in an E-bath, then they're coated high UV low powder coat. So we take a bunch of steps to make sure the finish is great. And it'll look good for years to come. So that being said, they're steel. They're a little heavy, but they're pretty manageable. We got all kinds of different customers that are able to utilize these. So you're gonna have 2 doors in the front kit, and then I'll get to that, but you're gonna have all our steel cutout. Everything's all pre-drilled, ready to go to throw on your mirror, your hinges. And we have our backing plates that are removable, just like all the rest of our products. So you can theme paint these guys. I'll show you from the back side. So we got just these studs and bolts. You just unbolt that. You can wrap it, you can dip it, hydro dip it, paint it. You can draw it with a marker, I don't know, whatever you want. And we're a slam latch. So basically there's a latch adjustment here. Once you got them where you want them, just tighten those guys, make sure they're nice and tight. You just throw it in the, shut it, and you just reach over the side of it just to grab it. The other 2 things here, we got 2 mirrors. I randomly grabbed this one. It may or may not be for that side, but you're gonna have a gasket and all the mirror hardware. You have the mirror in a nice little box. So we went with a TJ style mirror. So TJ half-tour mirror. Fits right on. I actually, look at that, grab the right one. So that's it, that's what you get. So you get both mirrors, all stainless steel hardware, limiting straps, everything you need to use the doors as soon as you get them home, right in the box. You don't need to buy anything else. You don't need to do anything special. Nuts, bolts, little adjustment, and you're off to the beach or the ice cream store or the trail, wherever you're going. So that's it.